back to Growing Craft friends. This side Sonia here. Please do subscribe to our channel before you start this video. Now one thing, a big thanks to Dress My Craft for sending me all these awesome punches and dies. Yes, you have already seen the unboxing video some time back. So today was the day when I thought of dedicating this video only to their punches and their dies. They are absolutely to die for. And they are super awesome. So yeah, as it's a month of love, I had to do this love bunting and I had to use all of these because these supplies are absolutely amazing. And you will see that it's not that you can just use your border punches for just giving the borders. You can use them as a decorative pieces. You can use the cutouts in different ways. You can use your die cuts in different ways. So yeah, here my video is all about using your craft supplies, the basic craft supplies from Dress My Craft. love to know your feedback. Please do let me know in the comment section. Did you like this video? Did you like the idea of making this bunting with so many punches and dies? And do leave your feedback. That will be more than happy for me to read all your comments and your feedbacks. And thank you so much again. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye bye.